bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedie et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Anana. Et voici Anana qui dit bonjour. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn how to say and how to write the color white in French. So here we go. So white in French is pronounced blanc. Can you try that? Blanc. And it's spelled B-L-A-N-C. Now, if you're describing a subject that is feminine, like this flower, and you would write B-L-A-N-C-H-E. So you're adding an extra H and E at the end, and it's pronounced blanche. So let's say the whole sentence together. La fleur est blanche. So did you hear the difference in the ending there? It's got a sh, sh, sh sound at the end. Let's try it one more time. La fleur est blanche. Bravo! Now, if you're describing a masculine object like this chapeau, you are going to go back to the original spelling. So let's try it with le chapeau est blanc. Can you try that one? Le chapeau est blanc. There, not so difficult, non? Alors mes amis, à la prochaine. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.